It's Thursday, August 4th, 2016, and it's about 1:42 p.m. and this arrived. This is from a friend of mine who wanted to treat me and also would like some replies to my letters. I imagine my handwriting can't keep up with typewriting. This is awesome. So I'm looking forward to using this. This is exciting. These also sold out everywhere at the time he purchased this. He had to get it through eBay because everywhere else sold out. And I noticed that over here as well, through a couple of the stores that were carrying this particular typewriter. Either it's made quite a comeback, it's in demand. I'm gonna find out why. No, I know why. Typewriters are awesome. It's just great. So I'm really looking forward to using this. The opening of the Daisy Wheel electronic typewriter. I put the receipts in there. I already know what those are. The UPS. Yeah. That stuff's evil. Ribbon. And that's the box it came in.
Some assembly required. Okay.
How do I? Oh, so it beeps. Now I've already.
You have to hit enter.
Now I've got TER on the.
That's fine.
What do I do?
Nothing.
So where should I actually move the page? So it would have. So where would I move the page then to make sure that...
You don't have to, that's fine.
But I want to see what happens if I do this. Let's see. So I have to listen to the beep?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, I'm doing that crooked. Okay. Okay, again. Oh! Don't go too fast or else it'll be like this.